People ask, how do we support you on an ongoing basis? Thank you for this. This will go to our Gullah Geechee Land and Legacy Fund. And I did that test because so many times people say, I want to help, I want to help. And I actually had a woman in the audience once say, I said, well, we're raising money so that we can save land. We have to pay lawyers. Lawyers cost a lot of money. We go to court on a regular basis to fight land cases. And she's a college professor. I'm at her college, and she says, I don't have any money, but I would like to know how I can help. I said, you have a job. So you're not working here as a volunteer? So what do you mean you don't have any money? You do have money. What? I mean, so people make excuses to not do something while they wait on somebody else to do something. So I was very happy to be asked, how do we help? We have a website called GullahGeecheeLand.com. On that site, people can make direct donations to the Gullah Geechee Land and Legacy Fund, which is also on GoFundMe. You see the video with me talking about the land and the law and all that, you know that's the right one. You can do Cash App, $, Gullah Geechee Nation, all right? And you can send donations there at any time, $5, whatever. People send it $5 with love, $5 want to help with the land. I think somebody sent one while I was in here. My phone lit up. And so that helps. Also at that site, you'll see a form. You can join the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition, which I founded, which is the oldest organization in the world history, the only one that started out with the words Gullah Geechee put together in the name. And then after that, Elder Colleytown had the second oldest one, all right, which is now our Gullah Geechee Angel Network, which is our 501c3, which is actually based here in Charleston, but it's the Gullah Geechee Nation's nonprofit in totality. And so you can contribute to the work we're doing, and also there's a sign-up form to work with us for different things.